It is great to have you back here at Coin Lady channel. Attention, everyone! Today, Brad Garlinghouse, Ripple's CEO, made it public that tomorrow, SEC official Gary Gensler intends to levy fines and penalties totaling $2 billion against the company. I want to tell you something funny now. The fact that they think they can get this is so ridiculous. From my perspective, we need to have a conversation about what they owe XRP holders like you and me. And more importantly, what will actually happen, both long-term and in the near future, regarding the price of XRP. Plus, there's this one thing that nobody seems to be talking about. If you want to talk about XRP or any other great digital asset, all I ask is that you hit that like button, share the post widely, and leave a comment. Share the truth about this digital revolution with the rest of the globe. Today, Brad Garlinghouse came out and said that Gensler, as Secretary of State, has frequently broken the law, ignored court orders, abused his position at the agency, and been trusted by Congress. The Debtbox case and the Ripple case, in which he acted dishonestly, are examples of this. It is important to note that they have a history of imposing fines but only receiving modest sums in return. As an example, in the case of Block 1, which had an ICO of $4 billion, they only received approximately $24 million. The current strategy is to use Ripple as an example and claim that they will defeat the largest dog on the porch. The time has come to examine XRP on a daily basis. We review the volume, which was above $2 billion just yesterday. Okay, $2 billion. Ripple would still not go bankrupt even if they did acquire that. Remember, gentlemen, that we were second? That's something to keep in mind when we look back. We were the world's second most popular coin, right behind Bitcoin. Had we not been confronted with this absurd circumstance, would we not, rather than letting us speed up? Right now, I'd put money on the table suggesting we'd be ahead of Ethereum in terms of market cap. Looking at the market cap we've lost over the previous few years makes us wonder how much they owe us investors and how much we've invested without seeing a return on investment. Without a doubt, this is the single most important factor that has kept the price down, and it is all their fault. So, when we examine XRP as well, since this example is dwindling in importance, it is crucial that we comprehend the potential outcomes under certain conditions, because the most they could possibly hit us with is 700 million, correct? Looking at what really left the US, we see that it was far less than that. Therefore, we should not be surprised if they only manage to strike us with 50 to 100 million, not 2 billion. Of sure, we will meet with them and pursue that. However, I will mention something that many people are ignoring, how near we really are to eventually moving past this. Attempting to hit us where it hurts the most with $2 billion is obviously not something I regard as a positive thing, but it's obvious that they're aiming high, and I think they'll wind up in the mud. And when they do, the sidelines see a plethora of cash. Although we have previously discussed this, I will try to illustrate my point by referring to a specific situation. Additionally, I can provide you with some information about the various forms of money that are available. Consider just one case in point. It was Jed McCaleb. He has reportedly traded out XRP worth billions of dollars during previous bear markets. Additionally, we know that Jed McCaleb has strong ties to the Ripple and Stellar founders. Am I correct? Since he is a billionaire with extensive knowledge of these markets, we also know this. Well, I'd like to take him as an example and ask, how many billionaires do you think are keeping a careful eye on this case? We all know that this is a rapidly expanding market with no signs of slowing down anytime soon. The fact that we will keep expanding is glaringly evident. He is well versed in market cycles and the markets themselves. And that is the message I want to convey to my audience today. After we finish with the case, do you not believe that wealthy individuals like Jed McCaleb have funds reserved for market deployment? I mean, consider that XRP is currently valued $35 billion and change. Isn't that right? Many billions. We could enter the market with the likes of Jed McCaleb and his buddies, his billionaire buddies, if we were to hit it big. So, there are many huge whales in the market who can move the needle very quickly. Because of this, we may expect to witness unprecedented levels of retail FOMO, as many people simply cannot wait. They abandoned XRP. However, They are familiar with the basics. In their opinion, XRP is a top-notch cryptocurrency with solid foundations. Additional green lights are on the way, and major institutions are prepared to pour billions of dollars into XRP. When this case is finalized and the fee is paid, I predict a deluge of funds and a boom. Among all cryptocurrencies, our communities are the strongest. Do not misunderstand me. Neither do I, nor the majority of our peers, are interested in selling XRP or any coin with a value in the 5 to 10 figures. There are a lot of us, I get it. Some people want to cash out at all-time highs. I am not in a position to offer you fiscal guidance. Financial advisors aren't my specialty. What I can tell you, though, is that most XRP holders are on it for the long haul. We expect the coin to be worth at least 3 or 4 figures since we anticipate XRP to form a crucial component of the global financial system. XLM is also involved. I truly do not believe it is possible that they could have gotten 2 billion in the worst-case situation, even though we have already departed the station. The celebration is far from over and the train is continuing to move at a rapid clip. Now that we've taken care of this, we'll charge ahead with full force. Those who doubt that a currency with such a large market cap can change hands quickly are in for a rude awakening, as this is among the most sought-after currencies by institutional investors. Guys, all they want is for the case to end already. Furthermore, they will not be seeking for little caps to play with when it happens. They will be on the hunt for authenticity. You should pay attention to the following coins: XRPS, XLM, XDCS, Quants, R grants H-bar. Those are the ones that are beginning to fade from memory. Personally, I think those are the ones that should be sent to space. Well, that concludes our video. As always, I'd appreciate it if you could subscribe and leave a comment with your opinions. Muchas gracias. Depart.